Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology, and today in this video I'm going to give you 9 tips by which you can fix your Wi-Fi problem in Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tricknology. So the first method is fix your Wi-Fi network using network troubleshoot option. So for that you need to right click on your Wi-Fi network connection and click on open network and internet settings, and after that you will get this window. So you have to click on troubleshoot option, and after that it will detect your problems, and after that you have to click on try these repairs as an administrator, and after that you have to click on apply this fix, and after done you have to click on close the troubleshoot. So the second method is fix your Wi-Fi network using CMD. So just go to your start menu and after that type over there CMD, and after that right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that you have to click on yes. Now I have to put some command over there. I will give you on my video description. So first command is NetSh winsock, then reset. So after that you have to put here ipconfig / release. Then after that you have to put the command is netsh int ip, then reset. After that you have to put ipconfig / renew. Then you have to wait for some time. After that you have to put ipconfig / flushdns. Sorry. So the third method is uninstall the network drivers. So for that you need to press Windows and R button together from your keyboard, and after that you have to type over there devmgmt.msc, and after that press enter from your keyboard and you will get this window. So you have to expand this option, is called network adapters. So after that you have to find your wireless adapter and right click over there and click on uninstall device, and after that make sure that you have unchecked this option, delete the driver software for this device, and after that you have to click on uninstall. After that you have to click on network adapter again and right click on network adapter and click on scan for hardware changes. Now try to connect your Wi-Fi network. Number 4 is update your drivers. So for that you need to open your run box. First just pressing Windows and R button together. After that you have to put same command devmgmt and .msc, and after that press and enter from your keyboard, and after that you have to right click on your wireless adapter and click on update driver, and after that you can choose search automatically for updated driver software. Number 5 is allow the power save. So for that you need to go to your run box and you have to press same command over there, is called devmgmt.msc, and after that press enter from your keyboard. Now right click on your wireless LAN card and go to the properties, and after that go to the power management tab, and now you have to check this option, is called allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and after that click on OK. Number 6 is disable the firewall on your computer. So for that you need to go to your start menu and type over there CMD and right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Now I have to put some command over there, is called NetSh and then Advfirewall, and after that set. Then you have to type over there all profiles, then state off. Now press enter from your keyboard. If you want to turn on again your firewall, then you have to put same command and you have to remove the off and type over there on. Number 7 is reset the network status. So for that you need to right click on your Wi-Fi network and go to the network and internet settings, and after that you have to go to the network reset option over there and you have to click on reset now, and after that click on yes. So next one is rollback your drivers. If you was newly update your network adapter, then just roll back your drivers. So for that you need to just go to your run box, just pressing Windows and R button together. You have to put over there devmgmt, the same command, and then MSC. And after that you have to right click on your wireless adapter and go to the properties. And after that you have to go to the drivers, and you will get this option like roll back your drivers. So I have not updated my drivers, so that's the reason it's showing invisible for me. If you have updated your drivers, then it will visible for you. So you have to click over there, and after that click on OK. The last one is put your network IP address manually. So for that you need to go to your run box, just pressing Windows and R button together, and after that type over there ncpa.cpl, and after that press enter from your keyboard, and you will get this window. So you have to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and go to the properties, and after that double click on IPv4 address. After that you have to click on use the following IP address, and after that you have to put your network IP address over there. In my case it is 192 and 168 range of IP, so I'll put anything over there like 168.0.1 is my gateway, and after that click on OK. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any video requests then comment down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.